Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2013 Jeep Compass and I will show you which fuses to check in case your ABS light is on. So it's right here on the top, and in case your ABS brakes are not working. This video will apply to Jeep Compasses made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. All the fuses you want to check will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood. So this is the fuse box. To lift this cover you will have two black tabs on this side, so you want to press them at the same time and lift the cover up. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. First fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 33, which is a 10 amp red fuse located here, responsible for power to the ABS module. Second fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 34, which is a 30 amp fuse located here, responsible for power to the anti-lock brake valve. And the last fuse to check will be fuse number 35, which is a 40 amp fuse located here, responsible for power to the anti-lock brake pump. So you have to check these three fuses, and hopefully this will fix your problem. If all the fuses prove to be good, the most common cause of ABS light on and ABS brakes not working, it's a bad ABS sensor on one of the wheels. So that's the next thing I will be checking. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.